Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba
nipa wo hu ndie na wo hu akwankyira obetumi akyere won ye esese woye na ebeboa ama nipadua na fa ntoma pa e de afra anti ene du da wokada se ya tu safra mpanimfo a te saa na omo betrase na ya bobu na ya dwendwene kwanpa e befa so a ya pomuden e be sipi asita e de amayen abribia mutaka se ye wonima no wo ho a aya na ya taaye but ya yesa nyama no a ya nwene ye nipadua no ya pomuden se ne ho nsem esitie ho ebini se wo ka ana wo moto a ade akye no pana wo tu ka no a ade a wo di kan hwan no se enzo wo ka no no check your ties no so ties no anyway bibia ye okay bibia ye intact ansana umetu o ka no a watu ana wo moto bike no a watu na me bisa se aya ni padua no ye check ne sa se me da sori ye mu se bibia ye okay wanu so ana se ne wo check wo ka no pepepe aya na ye mo ye pomuden hu enhye da hia yen enti ene esi nkomu ase ya na ye di nkomu e dia fa pomuden hu na ene ye ma be di nkomu e dia fa kwampa una fa so na watimi aye fasting ya ko asore ye bompa ye akonchine kwan ya be fa so abe ye fasting enwani hu wa ye fasting ni a esese wudi na ebwo ma ni padua no e fa ntoma pefra na enkofo haw emfa mrew ene nso so ya tenase ye di nkomu ye sin konwa ye be ni nkomu e dia fa ye fasting and gut system enyema obeye na atimi abaw so wo ye akonchina enwani ahodo a esese wudi ade a esese wo avoid a eyi ho ma ni padua no empempe obi wo ye fasting wi a owi ya no akopo banku bi no enti ebe ne koro wo hwe screen so a ye de WhatsApp number no ebeto wa dete o questions bia no obetimi e de aba na akenkan ebe ekon be bi phone line so atom ama wo so watimi afre na wo se bisi bia watimi ebisa ama dwode no etimi afa ntoma pa e de afra
FDA ahwe adwade kwatso yi mu age atomo se eye
adena so hu mi a wo de bibi osie
enye dro ni ne sayade Axco herbal caps my team
honey and never surprise o e ju say herbal mixture eni
na botai eso enti edina botai a wo de ye fasting no how a obey na fa say bia obi say me ye dry fasting na bia botai bi e wo ho
no ho ti na o de ye dry fasting
dry ni pa say onnum
su onni hwe
e bia o breakia na say so ka say o de bi ko ni ma yo obefa
ensu
ha ni na gina adepotia wo tai echira o ye saade no enti fasting ni se o chiri wiem ekom na momu no o ye saa no e wo botai a e de saade ne eba
okay
ye nuanum nkremofo e ye fasting for 30 days na 30 days no omo ya e wo botai panti a omo de ye saa akomchine no na omo ya ne saa no nso botai ni nyina chine nso omo ekwan a omo fa so eye ne fa enti ya demra eto ho
okay
enti emra no na ema emiti ade potinti a omo ye egina so aye ye ba ye Kristo so ma ebi mutimi ka se me ye anopa no nsentu enyime no nsia ana se me ye na miensa fast na memfa hwe enkama no bi ko atimi ka se me ye 1 week me ye 21 days fasting 21 days I can say
you were 21 days fasting and ewo ho ha na you were 40 days so ho
21 na meka say aduonu baako ha o chiri ne yemkom aduonu baako ne nyine mu no botai ewo ho na ne botai no mu no so fasting no so bi timi ka say oh botai nyine mu no me ya e bia me di nnuaba
okay
e bia me ni nnuaba be me di nnuane emu light ha bibi ti say bia me di amu na say bia menom
kuku ana kenke bi ana say bia menum tea ne sa ne no
ha we want the first time na we di nnuaba na beye
okay
we wa de enti ye womu afodro bebre enu nti enu ne fasting ha and the gut system
no
yes ya ka se gas system ne o digestive system no akwa na e ma nnuane a yedi no e ye ne kenika e bububu
yam awo ne padua no no okay doc I think say enu and that screen so no
aha enu nti say o hwe the ekoso ewo e kan say
screen so
na stages of digestion
okay
and na say e kwan nnuane e fa so enyam na sebio anyam nyina wie no hwe rectum na na sebio otokwan nnuane no papa na ewo mu no ebewo ni padua no liver no ana brebo no utilize ana say e dia ye adwuma ma ni padua na kwa ni nyina nkwamo ne edidi ye enyam ma ni padua no ye hwe toy ya obekwa akohye sebio toilet so na waye da nu opupu
okay
so opupu a obenwu ane se na se we nyina
eba
ha enu nti ye fasting ana gas system masem dia na introduction no sana metimi akano fasting eye pa eboni pedua no na fasting no ne ye eye ne say se o ye fasting a enyemefia enye mani pedua no sebio ye didi ye num nsuo ye humni nyina no enyema no de ye ne enya no o di pedua no
okay
enu nti o ye fasting a ade a nkofo tell you so anasa ya advisable ye tell you so nsuo nti o num nsuo abra aduane ni pedua no mu abra sebio enyema bia ema wo men enhyada eni ni pedua no mu nsuo no ewo horo saa niema no ma ne ba abonten abra ye free bi excretion
okay
excretion ni kire yen say epedua no ofa ya kwa ne ba kwa ye free ni kidney enu na ye sa
okay
saa ye sa no ana hohoro ni pedua no mu ema eye asesoniye ema niema na enya ne eba
abonten
aha nti the moment a wo ye fasting na wo no nsuo no wo sa no sone sa niema na enye ni enya mani
pedua ni na
ema ne ba
bonten
ema ne ba se o ye fasting na wo no nsuo dia na mum no se ye hwe ne other side na se o ye fasting na wo no nsuo na niema e wo se wo de tutu akwan mu no onya uti be ye wo ya esan se
during say we are fasting there but me say we are money pedua no nsusu enya na ho oden na ebo ma utimi ya fasting no say wan fa na kwan antoto wa ebetimi asa de tipaye nso
abrel enya tipaye nko e de problem dibre ne be ba the common one e tipaye adentia during fasting no enuane a pedua no enkwam one hia no cells ni hia no ye free bibi glycogen
okay
glycogen is stored glucose ya kase glucose a sichiri ya kase obi anya diabetes a wanya sichiri ya wen no nkire se akoto drinks bi
na sichiri wo bebre sichiri dia gum na mo wanya diabetes
na ye di no ofa ampesie fufuo ene benkomo ne pan no ayedi so all finding percentage averagely no in about 80% of the whole population in Ghana no it did pan anopa
yeah
as breakfast ye omaniama pan no sichiri na ekone pedua ni mu e break it down into smaller units and as e mububu into the bia ketwa a friend glucose sichiri
okay
and no na enkwamo no use as fuel and as energy ade mo ma honden enkane no se ye betu amika na ye sports school now sports madam and teacher PE madam no glucose bi egu nsem
okay
so what afle a ma wonya
ahoden
enu ntaduane a wadi na emu abubu no I break it down into smaller units glucose
okay
enu na ye ahoden a ni pedua no na on say wodi di anwure wi a ebi on my any best 2 days na kun di ye bisa won se Argentina won nante na mun twanhwe ennuane na wodi ye no glucose na enkwamo ni utilize no ebi aye stored
okay
the store se bi anka ye bayre ni 2 ye ana se bi a brobi ni try na de kwhye apaso ni we a ye ya hye na apaso e we ni pedua ni mu a ya store ni fe ni glycogen
okay
edu na ye stored energy a enkwamo no after say glucose aye fresh my system no anyway and no na enkwamo no utilize it back as what glucose
okay.
But what you say glycogen no na ya fasting na ye sustaining the pedua na say me the pedua ni shipi na gina na so stored glucose na glycogen
no we ni pedua ni
mo no le mo no eno nya enough
okay
depending on nipa no system no any how and the pedua na metabolize it good and until the moment wa obehu until obitimi 6 to 6 on tempo so ye fasting obi so ho no mo a wo de mani
o ya ko be 12 o'clock ga no wontumi kra
be 10 o'clock ano mo so say me so bri me
na say wo obi a o system ntimi accumulate fasting
yes intimi there's a time be unya additional energy our system
doc e gbasa na obi wo na otisa na ye ka say e bi o wasafo bim na ni jihu say ono so be ye ne sunsun ne kra mo aduma enti fasting na asofo dia to wo say yenye no why na adwen say wo ye fasting ni bi o pese wo ye bi ono so ne ni pedua no enti mi accumulate fasting no pese wo ye no enti ti say obi a say na wo kan doc na otumi e ye fasting na say e ba say 12 na otumi nya no ho hwe na ase ne so kra biri no otumi nya bibia na eseso wo ye fasting no so kopo wo ni no nsia ansa wo break a sani pa no ade na sese wo ye emma ni pedua no tumi ni na ho odin a obetumi de ato aso kodu nsia no
good question is very nice palatable ekoba ne sa etimi be disorder ne pa che etimi ya yare
I see
na say etimi koye ade a wo system na nkasa ne fe bi autoimmune disorder wo system na nkasa fight etia na ho
ewoni bi so
but under normal circumstances they said you we nipa na so wo chiri wo yem from no to 6 depending on aduane a wodi previously e bia ene medidi ana se mayemi and one it depending aduane a wodi ye ana aduma wo ye aduma bi o wa in respect to for aduane a wo be je no etwon energy no
afi nipadua no mama
se obi a o kaya wo
yeah
bia na so bia se bi o ye eduma magazine ana se wo
pija niema okoba unante oko wo exercise wo yesei wo say ni pan se wo ni se den kwa no a eduane be absorb afi nipadua no ma nipadua na wiki down
enunti ni nyina ye factors a ana se eniema ededa kwan mu a ye betimi ayusu as a guideline principle that
look according to me wo kan na che senka obi ya fasting pa na se bia system no na se body no entimi accumulate with eniema nipadua ni hia bebo one more time fasting and ke be ya enka wo ya fasting ni kwan so kokko ya adwumaden
oh yes depending on the individuals the underlying way and I say ade aye twa ase no no
okay
obi so obeye adwumaden so de be fasting nanim se nanim atwe and I say nanim aye den enti egina ankran no so
okay
lemom no o fa no ne dodo no mu kwan no mu dia dodo na aye fasting na so we adwumaden ha intense o ye fasting na wo ye dwumaden no eno no intense o be gontem ana say o be brentem because energy wo system no mu a store ahonden as glycogen no sebio eno no kakra bi depending on the we ye area e buy eno nti se eno no anhye da no so sa in fact wo be gontem na the here make see pa ne say se wo ho na wo ye fasting na ye ya na e comment ba e wo so wo check yo the free be hypoglycemia ya ka say hypoglycemia na it means say we obi a sugar e wo fo
sugar level e wo dependent mu no e wo fom
ya ka say hypo pa che say e wo
fom
low
okay
and ya ka say hyper e pa che say e
wo fom so okay
in frame brain no ko fo mo dia wo soro ni na so hyperglycemia na so we diabetic.
Okay.
But hypoglycemia no entire nonsense I don't know omo yankofo a omo sugar e wo
form.
No ana se wo sugar ta wo form na egina energy level ye frɛ bibi
donc so good mu emame me paso wo hwɛ Kumawu television ɛyɛ wo ko hia dwumade no ɛna ɛne soso ɛna ukuada yasan de ababeto awo no ye de brown ada ukuada bia nwɛ no nson ekopem no wotwe ɛne ye di nkomo e dia fa fasting and the gut system na ɛne doctor bia yani ama ye hu fasting no emu types a nipa ɛyɛ ɛne nipadua no se na timi accumulate with fasting na wo ye no so o system no anya stronger sugar level no that normal betimi sustain nipadua no ama watumi aya fasting na e ma wo ye mmerentem na eno ana waka hyper any hypo eno asem beba eno de e ne boofo enti nim se emu chechim beba wo hwe na wo ye interested wo pese dwumadie wo tie bi because ene enso bebre na eye fasting sahodo wo de ne say o question bi a wo pese wo bisa ade fa o fasting na wo ye no enwane ahodo ese se wo di enema ile kwan se wo ye no eno na doctor e kire yen enti se o ka bibi na won cheda ntiase papa na won se bi se bi fa ho a wo hwe screen so a yen WhatsApp number no eda so bo modern na fa WhatsApp message no ebra na yen kenkan WhatsApp messages na e wo no emfama ho wo de ba e question a ense bi sa na wo de aba na ye bisa doctor na watimi eya no e de aman enti mu se bisa ni nyina e fa fasting hu ensense ni nyina no mu modern na mu fanfa e WhatsApp line so na fa yen kenkan emfama ho doc mami sambra so biem se ne yedi nkomoko na manu guso ana wo kasa na obi be bisa se gebe na esese obi ye ansa na wa chance se o ye fasting so o pese o ye fasting na esese o store homache na o die brani e don so di dia mo ofie ma ansa na wa chance ye fasting anansa eni kwan so o di dia homache ni kwan so o di dia na dono na ade a chi a watumi anya hoden e dia ya na
so action na me na me kasa fasting no one who do baby you on the morning your bed so be sorry ahomachi verse 4 am no we do food even the food ni we are no start so you fasting the one and you be 6 no we break the cocoa na say answer dey bia ye nsure duane no we are send account fine no no ye fasting bi otai ediachi na o hwe yen gas system na say yen digestive system na say nipadua kwa na emani panyam as nikenika e woni pedua ni mu a nikenika na start free ya no enti digestion na eye nikenika no enye yem na start free
wa
no odidi a eye wano ana di kan ewura ewura wano a ye fra bibi mastication or gagitate or read baby into all rena or gagitate no ye can say digestion no processing bia no if we one na pass it through esophagus na aba we mu a your stomach ho your small intestine large intestine any other honam akwa na so organs a eno nso ebeye ne
ebe sra hwefo se ne doctor e kire no aduane be fo wonu na afa wo also fagos na aba be fo yemu a be fa won so nketo no ne akese ni nam enti se wo screen so a wo nu se ye de eto ho enti ubetimi so anya kwanya na wo so wahwe ne doctor e ka ho asem no enti efiri wonu mu no baby a fa ko ni paduanum ene ne ekoye wo ni paduanum nyina na doctor e ka ho asem no enti wo so betimi ahwe e wo screen so
aduane ne be fa o minimum so fagos so it said ye
Econoa
you can say stomach in if stomach in moi na and also you made be akoso na ababeto liver no baby aga no e won ne ba no na no so aye ne nyama nyam bi akoso koso na afide aye we na nyine mu no o ye fasting na the conclusion aspect ni na o ye fasting no onni aduane sabe waduane a wadi ne previously na so wadi atwam ene kwan a we ye woni ama fine ne pedua na nkasa no eyem ho no ye fra bi hydrochloric acid
okay
acid bi a yeyem nyame nyansem ne yenya who did be to say beans, who did be to say grains, be to say and cuts here, who did be to say beans, more any imro in money, cocoa product, and my window be a friend acid, our system, be hydrochloric acid. Now, oh, you're fasting now, and that's your own numerous years, acid, no, a pot, the name, and I said a costro. The moment all no is you a dilute, and I say a man in the duono at the form.
Okay.
A person why young quine can say that same Ketwaba was inquiring the epinodo. No, if you is you a good fine deno, and I say no muduno. And yes, I do. So better, and quine no bedding, ever put a sort of a dorsum. And quine your dorsum, and it tastes no original taste, and yes, a best son. And into the moment I want your fasting, no, show air pony pig, a ma acid, no, at the one year day, a sort of. Even though in show nipid anymore, but also, no acid, no, at the door, no, because the moment acid and ensure baby remember befrano a dilutuno Emma the concentration and answer the thickness no the munduno eba from ebanisa na the pH no and answer the hydrogen ion concentrate e ma me from kakra bi
kakra ya almost okay
ebanisa we don't say pH and answer we no e po nanim say pH e ba nanim na e ba alkaline and answer normal we don't say afide we yemu no e ye normal dem o nya fasting na onno nsio na wodi nnuane bi a mebobo so no e ma wo acid ne kosoro
I see
enu ntia ko ba ne sa na wo gas system no a generate a lot of gases ana hydrochloric acid enu nti wo hono mu na wuyem e wo wuyem wo o be kase bia H pylori ya kase H pylori a ye mo a o me bacteria sa mo nketo a yemfa ye ni ehun mo a o me ne cause ulcer enu nti se o ko check ulcer status anase bia wenya ulcer anase o person hu se wenya ulcer wiyem eye se na kolaba eno ne tester ye be mo aye na wo ye na positive na se mo ni bi wo eye negative na mbi nanso wiyem da so ye oya o de dano de o mi prazone ciprom ne other antibiotics so enye ho no ne mum eye wo gas system no gases ne other we ne wo no adia na menyan srem no ya che pa a eboa yes ye fascina e bedi so pa ye beboa ama ye ne pedwe ne gina ne na so ye nsuo onum nsuo na eboa nsuo number 1
to say we obi a we ye fascina adia se so mo here pa kase e nsuo
because one no nsuo we ye dehydrated o ne pedwa no nsuo no den eba
fom
ya kasa hydration na him say nsuo no dehydrated in purchase nsuo aba
fom
and until the moment no nsuo no na o hydration no nsuo level no den cost na dilute no another thing I say any say kasa nsuo ne nsuo je say onu nsuo bi akeke wo betima no fluid ade ye fluid ku be nsuo wo betima di watermelon so wonni asichire yare a obetima no mango mango no so anka mepe mango a eyankete Ghana de ni bi local mango o fa mango akese na sub acidic fruit akese no wudi a kawa flum so what study that sub under fruit classification no omo sub acidic fruit enu nti men na fashion fa mango akese break ne mo mango nketwa ade obetimi assign ahwene say cucumber kitwa cucumber ego blend dem na sariom na witria na wasone na onnom kokumba ewo nsio
awofo amohwe Dr. Edmond Atta Balm of Gilead Alternative Clinic Dr. Panipa wodano enanne yato nsa frɛ no a yene no edi nkomo edi afa fasting and the gut system na wame hu se na no guso a o kyerɛkyerɛ sɛ wo obi a wo yɛ fasting a sɛ yɛ dry fasting sɛ ɛyɛ 6 to 6 sɛ ɛyɛ 6 to 12 ni nyina ɛyɛ fasting a ɛde nsunsuanso bi ɛbrɛ nipadua no na wo yɛ na wo hwɛ na wo anyɛ ni yie a betimi de nsunsuanso bɔne enso de abrɛ nipadua no ɛno na doctor na no guso a ɔkyerɛ enuane ahodoɔ a sɛ wo yɛ fasting a ɛsɛ sɛ wodi na etimi wɔn nipadua no ɛfa no ntoma pafura sɛ na bɛyɛ a ɔkyena ɛnkɔfo ɔha ahodoɔ bi ɛmfa mmerɛw ɛto hwɛ a wahyɛ ase akyerɛkyerɛ sɛ sɛ wo obi a wo nsuo paa so wo nsuo bebrebe a wo ya fasting na eboa enye bone se wo ya fasting na wo nsuo sanse nipadua no befa no ntuma kwa afira nsuo eka ho wa kire se unya kakumba na brand na wo mu a eboa pa asama ba kire se unya mango no ye wa kase a eno no emwa se wo ya fasting na ye nu sa mango no ana ye ni sa mango no bi but ya nkasa ye local mango so nketoa no a ye nim e wo hana na kane na ye ko wuram na yakotwen ama na te aguru na se na yakosesa no saa e no ka ho asem enti se bi si fie na hota ya fasting na entwa dia na nto ntwene bomoden se wo be yusu bra wo ya fasting na atimi aboa wo pa o kire yen e ko anim na obesa me abegunu enuane ahodo a wo ya fasting na eni kwanse wudi na sabia na no gusu die o kire enuane a wudi a ebeboa doctor Ibonata ugusu a wo kire enuane no se enuane bi wo ho a ebi bed na screen so na ya hafo no so hu na ya ka ho asem doc na wa no gusu kakumba na odi ende to asomai
and the so for bibi to say kakumba and vegetable classification a fruit vegetable.
Okay,
so for kakumba a fruit
vegetable.
So for bibi to say tomatoes a fruit vegetable.
Okay,
make tomatoes yeah fasting na say oh yeah fasting apart from say udi cucumber and then watermelon we no dey all the next thing I mention aka ho asem say wo betimi adi on say fasting either say udi and na breaki and ye hwe enema fluid a sustain you and say eboa wo during fasting no ebi bofre abre kama no utimi edi as yeah fasting so we diabetes.
Okay. I'm say over screen so a friend and doctor can was no. E be and that screen so no. Nti dog when you bofra abre.
And say we diabetic and say we be so we situation area. Bofra bofi bunu no. Twa said the screen issue.
Away bofri bunu.
Exactly. Okay. To go ayurum and say blend them one no blend e bia na aba no uchimu be say me anu afemu baako. No one blended.
Dog, as a way actually be before so ha. Also, be a diabetic patient.
Yes.
One also so a bit me you should go friend.
No, instead of the abreno.
Instead of the abreno. And we are diabetic patient. We say we you should go friend abre. But we here go for blue. Go. To say the industry also.
Go. Okay. Diabetic patient a cucumber only watermelon.
Undi watermelon.
Edi watermelon na blended and answer twifra cucumber.
Okay.
Na cucumber no enkata edewo ne so.
Okay.
Watermelon ye from stand alone fruit and the melon classification of fruit no. There were cantaloupe, there were watermelon, there were noni, there were squash.
Okay.
Ni nyina ne and melon classification omo no stand alone ye for fruit bi amfra omo. Ntia na mo wan say hu for traffic light no mo ton. Put me no much to try me on anywhere afra. No, they don't know what they are doing.
Okay.
And then to say will be a diabetic. Obet me the cucumber fre watermelon.
Okay.
So be a diabetic no ye fast now person will break in. I did obet me I answer war fre no bununa no. Tabu ayu mo na blend them one. You want them was on so come now your natural insure and I say juice no why there no. Ascorbic acid and answer vitamin C a walk war fre no ne pape no. Ebema wo yema epese ye inflame eye ekuro no ebe wound fast
be kunkuru na wo ndi pedua no ye fun mu
simple ebe ko simple
I see
where a topic on this own and ebe later ana adia be hire etiefo pa kese a se ye fast ye betimi nso edi nso ye pear avocado
ya ye bia bi ofie bi sisi nwura mu ni ade
ba pear no obetime de naduane obetime de pear na aba no a ye topne no wa hata wo ama na ye powder no what de no aye tea a obetime de break o fasting ebema wo fertility you know so akosoro because aye loaded with ascorbic acid.
I see.
And a essence of folic acid. Seriously.
I see.
Anna adia ye betime asan hwebiem aye kwadu.
Yes,
obi oha o ye fasting no ade a wo betimi adi anaso de bebreti e kwadu.
I see.
Kwadu no ye mfa nkate enka ho.
Wo di kwadu no a
memfa
nkate enfa nka kwadu no. I see.
Yes. the moment what then cut you can do why introduce different food chemistry or and cut no a bed digest and I say a cancer and digestion and I say Benjamin a better asene no on say na me cast digestion start free
yeah
and you go do more back na good and cut ye how
this all man fe a young
cancer and like and never be on young fat chemistry I just know school in 20 na young famra yen near your like the real near my air working oh yanisa 34 no man yanisa on new cut yen for do calendar ede nemo no enye and until yan try say a very near Anna adia mesre pa see no yemre ko ye fasting na ye be jai eye koko say ayo koko
we eye say bra wo ye fasting
wo be
breaking fasting no adia eni kwanse wo ye nipa to tini ye pa wo ye fasting e bra so say wo be breaking fasting adia eni kwanse wo ye na onya e be so bone be bre wo ni padua no to the point that e bi o tena bi kura be kwa for how e dia bra wo ye funu
yes
enu na ye ka ho asem say we eye adia eni kwanse wo ye enu na ye do so nipa to titi ni ye enko ya fasting wie enko ya adia doctor be bo so ya beninti doc
nipa dodo na o ye Christopher aye fasting na bomb paye enya ho then so hunamu no aye o mo yawe in fact o man merge reasoning and faith together.
I see.
Reasoning no faith ni yamfa ank kambom.
Okay.
So wo ye bibi so na say ignorant ni no unnimu a. No se timi ko e wo
wona so.
Enu ntia nwere a o tie no. Momodin say o de be
ye adwuma.
O ye fast na ye mfa mpampa ana ice cream. Enu ntia sorry na sorry a mo ye fasting wi no maka koko ama mo church members. Na my pampa ice cream cake any adroko kwa no munai
doctor
yes me na me catch you
doctor so obi ya fasting bia any kwan so di adroko
yes
any kwan so di pampa
and answer ice cream cake
any kwan so di ice cream cake
yes mama me
it obi ko ho kenke na o de milk gu
yes
na o de nkatia gu na wa di sa de mo ni nyanya
bia wo be di unna any kind of invitation e wo
so ni padua no
but do na be na nso won ka o wa sorry ni nti se bi osuro on kasa
I see
do baby a e wo se ye kasa but o tie yan hwa de e more se e fiti good fiti ye o fiti bibi a ye friend fermentation
yeah a fermentation
yogurt a ye no before say yogurt e be kaade na what milk a ohunu ye anase milk a ye normal nantwie no fu what de you can say lactobacillus and streptococcus thermophilus yogurt culture no e fry na e card ye man yogurt no enye light na mom enye ne be ye barrier say cocoa no eno no I go through fermentation process on so kan cocoa si wonum na si wonum a o se ni no ada aye barrier ti so kan de wo na shirim ni wo shirim ni edi no o fiti you can say moria I go through fermentation enuntina ye enkrando kuna ye di no school entodo kuno wodi go na say ye kakra na say o fiti anasa hunhunu a wo be hu say a start generate alcohol enye moria eye ene moria o na mom ne mori bia esi wa che anasa dokuna wato a ache na wa hunu no ice cream cake anasa wa hunu a wo pese wonom no onoma e kawafulum end product of every fermentation process bia ethanol and carbon dioxide.
I see.
Ethanol acidic. And until the moment I wire fasting every onom ice cream cake. Onom
ayukuku
produce so acid in the
asam de pedua no. Sabe no. De pedua no ya sa acid ni biem.
Debi. Ade a obetime di bia Tom Brown.
I see.
And I say wheat porridge.
I see.
Wheat porridge, wheat cereal, bro then and also can say cereal. No, and the food chemistry and we are dear a fast year.
Because all fair, Jumade, I have fair, I had there. Now, all hands were minister and that was soon be pa, and your free won't point here do a day so. Now, as a doctor can say, we are fasting. na o break a enyema ene nuane ahodo eni kwan se wodi me de na minim se oya fast wie na wonya kenke bi mash kenke na wonya sugar kakra bi de gum na wonya milk bi na de gum an se nke wa wie kura wa break fast but doctor me hu say emu no eba sa eba ha ni padua no na doc abomo abi de free sunyan e de aba o say friend patient obi say lettuce is good for fasting so we are fasting e say we do lettuce ana
oh before say about lettuce eso when say the American ya no ebro no say bia more no e fresh and more. Oh, but how will you know say fresh?
Okay.
Oh, but then we say ebro no and I say more ebro dada say the moment I didn't change na generate data no what
acidic no
ente bia will be system no na say the gas system no e be accommodate enya ne hwe no some on the majority side na ha ebi mo enu ntia ya dia e wose ya de trigger na nkofo di so se na be ya enka adwene lettuce a cruciferous vegetable. You can say cruciferous vegetable.
Lettuce no.
Lettuce a green leafy vegetable.
Okay.
In fact, lettuce is loaded with a lot of antioxidants. You can say oxidant and you when you do more enya it may cause cancer and any American. The moment what the lettuce every group blend them who be chicha now I the salad and answer all reno and now I blend it now no. In fact, a very fantastic. Never lettuce no. Be a free banner and a man lettuce near original lettuce or synthetic lettuce. In Miania, a wood gasono in a metina can on both sides say about 80% in a synthetic and yet organic and a chemical produce. And in many about patients out the bay, Okoto lettuce need a proper organic vinegar and answer in Chinese you answer activated chocolate and answer chocolate powder before from home. And son of blending.
Okay.
And what lettuce near this spray and I say a gum for man at the say and uncle react to yam and some fast mamma.
Okay, dog, a brand to be a friend a Moscow fashions or Kenya say a brim or a fashion designer on the message of their Benny. Also, please ask doctor for me if tomatoes is good enough for fasting.
Oh, thank you so much. The next stage I never show. What the tomatoes a good cement is what. I said, would you go free after some time? No, we say I start here.
Okay. But I'm saying tomatoes will be at a screen so. Aha.
In fact, oh yeah, fasting now. Now oh breaking na beer. What breaking was be a money tomatoes. Now say beer. Me nom enquire a light soup a tomatoes dominated soup. In fact, and yet tomatoes a acidic vegetable.
Tomatoes.
Yes, a acidic vegetable. A acidic vegetable in such a way say acid a womb. And when you say offer the it is a tomatoes are ye fasting and deep a year about 70-80% tomatoes. The back cow ye mayo ya will be a all free piano opa assessing picture a coachi. Na kai say the bena the yemi and now say anopa. What also was say media morning stew a tomatoes dominated stew say be a morning tomatoes for ye say a morning vegetable stew a carrot kakra wom green pepper wom jene wom way wom kakra na tomatoes kakra wom different no did you love I got to put here the moment dominated tomatoes in about 80% and be a jene kakra be why tomato for ye be a tomato paste be a fat William Bayo ya and any allow to say obey fasting now
the tomatoes
dog also now no patutu what the Adriano or first meal with tomatoes there
another message I mean way every perpetual asante what the free kwashimai and how they buy I say please can you ask doctor for me if cocoa product is good enough for fasting or meaning your patch say for a year fasting so we use cocoa product now what the fasting
thank you so much really I like the question you asked
okay I'm saying cocoa product will be soon a war screen so good
cocoa bean
yeah
cocoa we know we the bean
the bean
me agronomy me first degree I know what cocoa
beans. Okay.
Before say cocoa no ye de beba bi gu apaso no. Ye bo.
Yeah.
Oba ni nyina no aye den ebobo ho. Beans no enyi maako sei. Ebobo ho a nshiro bi afete no. Cocoa we say ukọ akurase na so wudi cocoa a woyi cocoa wa pam na wodi ato otachiama eso no. Cocoa no be ka wafunu. So what the cocoa raw cocoa da ede be wodi to wafunu na
ka wafunu.
Good.
That's why acidic content bi ewo cocoa no a ehia se wo ya fast wi a wo be di cocoa product.
I am for chemistry kakran emrem. Unim cocoa na nse ne be beans say no. Your boy na nsuo no wo ho na aye na aye no. Ye omo frɛ bi se ye bunu. Omo te gubotum ede enyema be gugu for some days. And sana heat na be generate sa fermentation process no. Omo ga ba bigu apaso. Se go through fermentation process now don sa eko ra cocoa mi se unnu a won sam nyina be ro. And see me nyina bai. Simple food chemistry. Oh ye fasting na. Baby to say cocoa product bi e organ ha. Yemfa break fast na say oh osa ye nom na no ba. Obetimi anom no anwumre san bia wadidi awie okondo say bia wo pese wonnom bi abra wadidi awie no. Maybe I did you be 4-5 more some o feel say o person will not be fine. O bet me no cocoa product be a cocoa na here. That's
want to me kon fast we. Na me patcho anya say ye advert am obi. Na wa kono milo. Ana say wa kodi chocolate. Ade be ye cocoa product. Say ye chocomilo, say ye hwan. Ade a ye cocoa product no yem from breaking fasting no and doctor can was
na no panso abra o sa dem no wadi dia wie no wotime within the day
yamma akwanya no ahwefo no akwanya na omonso frɛ emadwumade ne so obi nso ba bisa question bi sɛ bitter leaf sɛ onya bitter leaf na odi a ɛno so ebetimi aboa no bra wa ye fast na so obedi bitter leaf ebeboa no
bitter leaf is one of the cruciferous vegetables.
Okay.
Yes.
Ye bia ye mfo lines no atom na won se bisa bia won so wetimi afrɛ na obebisa doctor bra ye ka fasting and gas system ho enkomo yana se ye di ho nkomo yi ɛno so atumi aboa papa enti ye bia ye mfo lines na atom obetimi afrɛ na wabadwumade ne so mesra ufra lower the volume of your TV set and tie ho TV no so we are sa na tie ho TV no so a ye benya feedback e studio ha emwaye enti na wabomodian no wano na yetimi atonka ene yankasa ye ni nkomo e wo phone no so dan se obetie ho television no so na entimi mwaye ye numbers no ato screen so obetimi afre number ne 0202 66 84 and I think 61 ofra na wabantumade ne so and say obetimi afra 0202 66 84 62 na nso watimi abeka dwede ho na wo se bisa bia watimi abisa na doctor wo haide wayi wa no mesoma wo se bisa no enye ntienti asan se yebe no ekopa eye wo hodonti na ye pese wo hu kwampa obefa so obetimi aye fast na onkofo ha bia emfa ema wo ho enti ye numbers no e da screen so obetimi afre doc na wo ka bitter leaves no asem.
Yes, bitter leaves no one of the powerful kind of cruciferous vegetable.
Okay.
Open to say the
lion when suna.
One of the natural tea vitamina. One of the powerful tea on men and me.
I see.
We are friend in green machine.
Green machine.
Yes, green machine.
Okay.
Green machine.
I see.
And the machine natural. I wouldn't produce more. Now we are more so we are fasting we now yeah I make my come from our best a green machine natural tea bag.
Okay.
Yes, I think so.
Doc Mama Shem say a friend for be a one so. Hello, good evening. All right. Okay. Enti obetimi afrɛ na nso abɛka dwumadi ho. Numbers no at the screen so obetimi afrɛ na nso abaso bi. 0202 66 84 62. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Me patcho odi na bi afrɛfrɛ.
Me friend Ajay me kasa fi Accra.
Ajay Accra. Ajay me enti o.
What's up? And then you see, you said Dr. America. You said you have fire, no?
Okay. All right, me that's papa. And I say Dr. Be you or say I'm say or call me be able to say be ama me and yapam. All right, you the next caller now also at me at the same bisa at the aba. Also let me join in this conversation now for at me aba. Good evening.
Good evening.
Me want to din baby on free.
FM I should make a fluent.
Me mami tio.
Oh, yeah. Because you be say people cry for yes, sorry, I'm my any cheap. If you say and I say,
okay. 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 Right. Look, I believe say we have a question. Or say to send come for or more fast now. I'm sure for hello, good evening.
Good evening, Pastor Abumai.
Adum and Empire Boarding baby on free.
Pastor, you face I don't know my free.
I come out TV now free.
Come out.
Yeah.
And but a doctor may not session. The person will say, Akola only 2 years. I'm a part so open soon as be a million.
Okay, Akola only 2 years. Now only milo at the manual. Who be so effect be ana. Okay, all right. Doctor Ate Oha Obeyuano na also. Doc, another question about na obisa say to say cremo for air fasting no. Omo di dia much heavily na omo di air fast. Hello, good evening. Okay. Omo di heavily and some of my fasting no anopa no. Say obedi sir. Hello, good evening. Hello. Okay. Doc, obeyi se mbisa na mama.
Yeah, I don't know yet. Kotaya Jina fasting.
Okay. All right. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Me but you didn't be on free.
Emmanuel
free.
Me will come me hear more say be quiet.
Okay. Imam yentio.
Doctor, I can't send you why I dey one abaso. But the person who said doctor say, in fact, cocoa products na no work no. You ferment cocoa anyway, you dey go apaso hata. So process na be femu nyina sana cocoa no be ba be powdered one. And no still fermentation that so ye adwuma wo na.
Okay. Doctor, once you will be question what be sir. Sir, you dey afa fermentation process ni nyina no. Still na fermentation da so it take place now. Okay.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, be on free.
I'm going to demand a free no one.
Okay, Ima, don't mind comment you.
But I put my brand why I put my brand I fresh day I
brand day
I break it. I fresh.
Now they are breaking fast now. Okay, all right. I think say Doctor Enyo was some this. Okay, Doc. I'm saying some I had a break, but in all kind of young be mine. You're burning tonight and sorry.
Baku bisa send about when you Mambo Obia product baby Waha. Nemono the mechanic say young Tashaman no
yeah. But say oh yeah fasting. Now we break you fasting. And now say oh also men no man anopa ba planning. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Me pacho odin ba dia on free e be na kopa.
Yes, I'm Joyce. Me ka fi Accra.
Okay, Joyce, me too.
Me pacho me diabetic. Na me pay mu say pineapple yes me dia na orange mami ndi. Bibia ye sukri dia mami ndi na.
Okay, all right, Dr. Beyano. All right. Yeah, the friend for the BC, I'm saying, say, oh, question for be on person bisa. Yeah, the Dr. Edmond Atta, the telephone number no, and I ever to screen so. And see, Nasre, say the number na e to screen so no who won say be say bia any question ya we bia how bia no won say be say obetimi abisa ya bia na kopa yo I think some few minutes say 2 minutes na yeah sorry doc.
Yeah, so the conclusion aspect in analysis akra na you when you 2 years betimi anonymous
okay
be product let me say one on Gabadia Milo is very good. One of the energetic.
Okay.
Wapa mean advert. The shop all fasting, such product.
Cocoa product. Any cocoa product. And from breaking fasting.
And also when you're also patient, then you're normal and in an empty stomach. Then within the day, you remember say you remember what did every no day go bet me as a booster and as a top up.
Okay.
And Obin so Eka say cocoa is still our fermented area. Say
After fermentation process ni na no still na enya ba powder na fermented na
you me food scientist
okay
and so we this one dia
ebebo okay
no na obi efre esi
I say onu bia ne yam eye ne ya no
ade bi ono mo a enye agreement eno na ya specialize
okay
nti say ya nkoshe be bi nwe baba ne ya betina eno na yesua ho ade eno nti say we this one dia ya dia ebeboa say ebia wo osa what battle with Ulster and put the one no antibiotics I would do in fact and that's all your fast now per se will be on a bush channel will be on one acid reflux with not belching as a you now OPC
Doc, for product next year now okay be machine
one of the best products so far globe
okay
yes Nankopon do my inhihye ne bibia nso de da na akwan mu a FD
ajato
se ohwe so that ba ko nso kita me maserota we natural Italy for ne natural product omo acid odidi ane ne for yokutu those kind of o combine way anyway within 1 month 8 weeks me fan say maximum 4 to 6 weeks so man obi an su ayekese ne ebedwo
ebetwe amana ba normal doc wo de wachira kwan ba tudwa ene o telephone number ya bre ne ko na doctor de telephone number tudwa no wo hwe screen so a doctor telephone number no eda ho na serew bibi a chiri wadwin bia eye nsem bisa bia wo pese obi se na mwanya kwanya e ma dwumade so no na serew se wo hwe screen so a doctor number no ene da so no obetimi afre no enye we ya ho okay I'm saying doctor number na winner open doctor one verbally e dia man enti doc oba mo telephone number no e dia man na watch we kira kwan kakra bi na fa yedwuma de no abawie
good medanya nkopon ase e wo be bia wo de ababa besi na mesre e wa hombrase em se ye ya kire no yemfa enye adwuma
okay
ye de adwuma e beboa ye na mewo the carbon MTN for no echi
Kumasi a
Bamo Gilead Kumasi the carbon eho ena yewo enti so ebesu na se wako baby a me adu sikedi wabra dia baby a yankopon na ho ajo eye Bamo Gilead brana membo ne mom no me echi force COVID-19 no enkoy astatia increase the speeding rate.
Okay. Doc, Mr. Bono Banana, young fan to school, so now, for conclude, you have
0240 51 21 71. 0240 51 21 71. And I said 0244 63 25 33. 0244 63 25 33. I mean, can't COVID-19. That's sure I'm Brazil say. There are no apostle. No smart now, you see, and say, ye observe that protocol. The mom, a dear back way, near pan, see a big bush.
Immune system,
Yendi
okay.
Now, in Yanino, where Yanino, as she cannot,
okay.
And my virus be an intimate
penetrating.
So, open natural ways, open so boost to immune system with their capsules, their powder, we are open to DJ Loftia. Ubenyami.
Okay.
Medenyami ase ewokunya
Adiamau. Yes, we are dancing, Papa. Dr. Edmond Atta, Balm of Gilead Alternative Clinic. The telephone number no and that screen is on. The beer a far up modern long piece will be saddle. On Frenwa, or Benjo, so I know power a real and a Jokuranoa or Ho Edimau, also or J and family Ebeodia. Yet the Jordan Ebesiha, now Christo Yabuma. Next week, same time, 7 o'clock, and 8 p.m. Yet the Jordan etchme at the Abrow. Maybe any Francis Aden, with me after me DJ Lofty. Aha, and I did more than AC, a better a DOP, Kobe Frank, after Loretta, any Augustina, or more Vitia, Emptia, almost so AJ Rumwa, or more a word to my papa. Okay, Nozo 1, and I've original Samdakus, Queen AJ, and then Omwa Kanyina, Omo Ebwai, Emma Eddie Jumodino Ebro. Christo Yadon, na Odium Kwa Echea. Next week, Yabasa Esha Wabim, Yakra.
If I shop, I'm a shady old bag.
Brade, and not to him.
What time about Michelle to see about Queen Wayne say?
Bra, said your time about Mister, as your Jimmy me fearful, and Yadia about ever so.
Really, no, this offending now.
Bra, and me cousin me the time about Mr. Huadancia, Ria singing now ever Timinka, 87 malaria, where drawn the time about Mister.
And you know, dear, and what I want to me any deal. What drawn the time about Mister? A drink